Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce the Sweat Fella wildlife camera. It's an 8K video wildlife camera with mobile phone transfer and 60 megapixel full HD, WLAN, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth wildlife camera with night vision and motion detection. It is of course IP66 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor with no props, of course. Then we have a 32GB of memory card included and 8 AA batteries. So, of course, you can gain up more memory card size if you need that. It is the Model E301W. The 2-inch display of this wildlife camera is only used for the convenient previews of images and videos. And of course to make setup. Because the resolution of the original photos is significantly higher than the size of the 2-inch display. The images are scaled, so that the details may not be so clearly visible as if you use the computer system, for example, or a tablet or your smartphone and so on. To view the original 8K 60MP HD image or videos in full quality, we should download the TrailCam Go app. TrailCamGo application on our smartphone, or we can view it via the memory card on a computer. This allows us to view images, videos in their original resolution and clearly see all the details of it. This wildlife camera comes with a mobile transfer app. We simply download and use the free mobile app TrailCam Go. By manually connecting our phone to the TrailCam's built-in Wi-Fi, we can easily view recording in the app and download them to our phone without having a remote the wildlife camera and connect cables. We can also easily adjust the settings. We check the camera angles and share content on social media from our phone. The range of the Wi-Fi connection is limited to 30 meters, of course. That means this camera, this trail camera, this hunting camera has an own Wi-Fi network. And into that Wi-Fi network, we can connect by using the app. And the app is the TrailCam Go app. And if we connect each other, then of course we can make a setting, set up, we can edit options, and we can take videos, and we can take photos or both, and we can see what's going on in live view. Really cool, because this is so comfortable. The older models on the market, you have to aim by yourself, then you have to enter it by the screen setting process on the camera itself, but such a Wi-Fi connection device is much better in that. We have 60 megapixel images and the stunning 8K HD videos. Of course, you does not need to have to use the 8K resolution for the video, for example. No, you can go down to 4K, or you can go down to 1080p or other resolutions, because 8K is for the future, and 8K images are good for the future if you have a screen which can handle the 8K. But if you does not have an 8K device, you can go down a little bit, of course, because this will save a little bit megabyte. Thanks to the premium optical lenses and advanced image sensors, this wildlife camera delivers lifelike colors and rich details whenever we are recording the still images or videos. The built-in 2-inch LCD screen gives us an impressive viewing experience and brings ours closer to the nature, of course. And on top, we can make a night vision, and we can see on the night vision really good and detailed, as you can see in that video here. At daytime, of course, you can see that, and it will be automatically shot videos and pictures if you like that. Because there are PIR sensors built in, 3 of them, one to the right, one to the left, one to the center. And if one movement is detected, it will be take a video and or a photo. And this not only 2 meters, no. We have 30 meters of excellent motion detection and 120 degrees wide angle. The Svedvala motion-activated wildlife camera uses pyroelectric infrared sensor technology. That's an animal detector. As soon as an animal enters the sensor area directly in front of it, it automatically starts taking the photos or videos within an 0.1 second. It can record 1 up to 5 images continuously and with a PR detection angle of 120 degrees. The detection range is up to 30 meters possible, so we can capture even more wonderful moments. And this camera with a motion sensor uses 36 pieces of 850 nm infrared night vision LEDs. LEDs are light-emitted diodes. And this is cool because this you cannot see, and the animals out there cannot see this either. So this is not a big deal, and the standard animal like the elephants and the lions, which are on the road on your garden at nighttime, of course, or the bears and something else, can be move like a natural movement, and it will be seen in this light-emitted diode night vision stuff. Yeah, it will and can record then a black and white images with a high brightness level, high resolution and a low noise even at the nighttime. The dedicated range of the IR light is up to 30 meters, and the animal are not frightened. The night vision effect is very good. Even if it is pitch clear outside, we can easily see all the animals recorded by the wildlife camera. Thanks to the dense structure, the waterproof coating, and the well-sealed rubber ring, the wildlife camera is protected against rain, snow, and dust. At the same time, we don't have to worry about the weather. The wildlife camera can function normally in harsh environments such as deserts, grasslands, and tropical rainforests, even at the temperatures between minus 10 degrees Celsius and plus up to 40 degrees Celsius. So you see, it's easy to navigate, it's easy to use that because you can use an app, and the app connection is really, really easy. The only thing is, switch on the wildlife camera, get the 8 AA batteries in the right direction into the camera, then switch it on, go and come with your app and your smartphone and pair them each other. Job's done. Then you can make a setup process, then you can use it immediately. And you can, of course, attach it to the wall, to the ceiling, or something else, or is possible like a belt or something else. This is the Svedvala wildlife camera. 8K video wildlife camera with a mobile phone transfer app. 60 megapixel full HD, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wildlife camera with a night vision motion detector, IP66 waterproof grade, and 32 GB of memory card. And we have on top 8 AA batteries included. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.